Before we start the video, please take a second to subscribe to the channel. Your support really means a lot to me. In many societies, smooth and hair-free skin is often promoted in media and advertising. Because of this, many people grow up believing they need to remove body hair to be considered attractive or socially acceptable. However, psychology tells a different story. Experts emphasize that natural appearance and personal comfort are far more important for healthy self-esteem. Research in social psychology shows that when people make grooming choices based on their own comfort, rather than pressure from others, they tend to feel more confident and less anxious. For example, someone might say, "She chooses her natural style because it makes her feel confident and comfortable in her own body." This reflects an important psychological principle: self-acceptance. When people accept their natural traits, they often develop a stronger sense of identity and emotional stability. Another key point is that physical traits, like body hair, do not define personality, intelligence, or lifestyle. People sometimes form assumptions based on appearance, but research shows these stereotypes are often inaccurate. Human behavior is shaped by experiences, environment, upbringing, and personal values, not by physical features. Psychologists also highlight the importance of respectful conversations around body image. Avoiding judgment based on appearance helps create a more supportive and positive social environment. Here's an important idea. Healthy relationships are built on respect, understanding, and acceptance, not appearance. Confidence grows when people feel valued for who they are, rather than how they look. In educational settings, experts encourage awareness of body diversity. Every body develops differently, and these differences are a normal part of human biology. Understanding this helps reduce body shame and unrealistic expectations. Psychology teaches that qualities like confidence, empathy, and respect matter far more than external appearance. When people focus on these values, they build stronger relationships and better emotional